Zo gedanst. Dat is dan uitzonderlijk bij de WitteGei't, maar dat vind ik prima. En als eerste band hebben we een gloednieuwe formatie helemaal van haar. En namelijk de Bucket Rukkers. Ja, papa, hey, applaus, kom op.
Thank you very much. We're the Bucket Rukkers, We've got songs from the Amsterdam swamps.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, here we go.
Is that where we're from? We forget where we're from. That one.
We came from shit, crawled up to the swamp, made it to the sidewalk. Now we're on a stage. What's gonna happen next? We're gonna be in your mind.
Yeah, you don't want us there.
Well, pass me a bong and I'll sing you a song. We'll be happy and jolly if we drink all night long. Don't get me started on politics and the tactics and the trouble is rock. Well, you keep us out of house and you keep us off the street. You put us down in the name of democracy. The anarchists are all terrorists, the hippies are all dreamers. You need your big gun to compensate your tiny wiener. So pass me a bong and I'll sing you a song. We'll be happy and jolly if we drink all night long. We got no politics, it's not for kids in the top fucking store.
There you go.
Soundcheck, guys, a little soundcheck. I think it's sounding very good. Big round of applause for this fantastic. Yeah, just started. Give him a hard time.
Otherwise, we would be mimes. So, come on with some Bucket Rukkers. I can't say I do remember set names, but what was it again?
We'll just make it up as we go.
All right. Did anybody see the eclipse of the moon?
Yeah.
2 days ago. Oh, this is for her. I'm just joking. I know it all. I know everything you're doing. So, we're gonna jerk your tears out of you. Blue moon.
Far beyond the standards, that's where we find the new. And if they catch us this far out, we'll be home. But that won't be too soon. No, soon that won't come. I take life between the highway and the sticks. Conversations overheard by all the passing trucks. My sleeping bag is drenched, but I've got you to hold on to. A bottle of whiskey and both of my shoes. The tricks we pull will make our bread. With luck, we'll find the kicks instead. Stole all I
have to tune our instruments a little bit because it's very fine-tuned precision tools that we work with. It's just not right. You hear the difference? No? Oh, okay. There we go. All right. I think we're ready. It's all tuned up. Sure.
Okay. We have a little love song for you. De liefdesverklaring. We want you more than they could ever want you. Who is they? Who is they? We like to blame people for things that go wrong. So it's those people that you like to blame.
Them.
If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can use a very important word in the Dutch language. Waarom.
That means why. So,
It's true. It's true. It's laughing, but it's true.
I know I don't look like an honest person, but sometimes I do.
Ja, zo.
But,
So every time we say, because I want you more than they could ever want you.
For you English speakers, then you know right away how to ask why. So that's but we need you guys to help us because our voices are too beautiful for this song. So please help us with this. We're gonna try it out and we're gonna use you as guinea pigs. All right? One more time.
The banjo's a bit stressing out. The banjo's stressing out.
Everybody stay calm, right? Stay calm for a moment. The banjo is stressed out. I feel it. I feel the vibes.
These are those lovely awkward moments with the Rukkers at the podium.
But it's not as bad as racism.
Well,
You got a point.
because I want you more than they could ever want you.
One more time.
Because I want you more than they could ever want you. Yeah. You're wanted. Dead or alive, won't you stay on our side? You're wanted. Dead or alive, won't you stay on our side? You're wanted for treason, you're wanted for being, you're wanted for being on monuments of reason, at least that's what they see. When they peek through security cameras on streets and on lampposts, they're people. You're wanted. I want you more than they could ever want you. You're wanted for stealing what has been stolen. You're wanted for healing what has been broken. You're wanted for learning what they're not teaching. You're wanted for questioning what they're Deze gaat op.